Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on Messenger. We go to settings, then here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here we go to this window of Messenger like this, and we click you will go to Messenger app here, as you see, Facebook Messenger. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.